Welcome to the Salmon Runs YouTube. Enjoy the video.
You begin by ensuring Viber is current and your phone number is verified. This prevents access errors. Open settings and backup chats if you want conversation history preserved. Once done, connect to stable Wi-Fi to avoid failures during changes. Now navigate to Settings Privacy. You will make active choices about visibility and verification. Move deliberately. These first steps protect your account and make later privacy toggles effective without causing accidental data loss or lockouts. You should disable Last Seen and Online so others can't track your activity timeline. This reduces unsolicited contact. Next, turn off read receipts and typing indicators to keep your responses private. This changes expectations and boundaries. Then restrict incoming calls to contacts only, which prevents unknown numbers from reaching you. Make sure to confirm each toggle visually. Once adjusted, test with a trusted contact to verify behavior. These changes together create meaningful privacy without breaking core Viber features. Now secure the account. Enable two-step verification or set a strong PIN to stop unauthorized access. Once enabled, hide your profile photo and personal details so strangers see minimal information. Review and manage blocked contacts and message requests to keep control over new interactions. Finally, test sign-in and message flow on another device if possible. If something goes wrong, like being logged out, use your verified phone number and recovery PIN. If problems persist, restart the app and recheck backups before contacting support.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.